You just found the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.